Hello friends, today we are going to see how to set up a microphone. To set up a microphone, first we need to go to here and search for sound, and then click on the sound control panel option. It opens up a dialog, then go to recording, and here is my microphone. Click the properties option here, and now go to the levels option here, the third one, and ensure that your levels are as high as 80 or 90. You need to ensure that your levels are higher than 70. Mine is 80, so here you can see, and please ensure that yours are not. Click to unmute that, and you can see my microphone boost is 20 dB. Now press OK. Now OK. Again you need to go to the sound control panel, click on that, and again recording, click the microphone option, and then configure. Here you can see I'm not going to this properties option, I'm going to this configure option. Now in the second option you can see here is setup microphone. Now I'm going to click on that. Now choose the what type of microphone we are using. Is it desktop microphone, other, or a headset microphone? I'm currently using the headset microphone, so I'm going to choose that. You can also choose the desktop microphone or other. Now clicking next. Now again next, and read the following sentence aloud in a natural speaking voice. You can read this or click the next option, and now finish. Now this setup process is finished. If you guys have any question, please ask me in the comment section below, and please subscribe to my channel and share this video.